Charlie, Marley, get out of there! Here goes Charlie, going nuts. He loves to run. Well, I lost him. There he is. Charlie! Where'd he go? I'm gonna watch because he gets like that, he'll knock you down. Is he running after you, baby girl? Were you swimming? Look at her hair, it's all standing all up. Grrr. Char, be nice. Is he knocking you down, my girl? I gotta get you. I'm gonna get you, Char. Charlie. Get him, Char. Get him, Mar. I'm gonna get you, Char. Go get him, Mar. Go get Charlie. Go get him. Make him run. Chase him. No, that's it. Oh, that's it. That's all the crazy running. You tuckered yourself all out. Uh-oh, horsefly. Horsefly. I heard him, Char. I heard him. Where'd he go? He's gonna get your butt. He's on your butt, Char. Run! You go home? Come on, go that way. Go. Go on. Let's go home. I guess he's done. That's it. Come on, Mars. Let's go home and eat.